The holiday season is on its way, and so is the preparation. Christmas is festival which is celebrated around the world by one and all. Decorating Christmas tree is no less than challenge in itself. All of us try our best to decorate the tree in the best possible and the most unique styles, but because of less time and knowledge, end up beautifying it with the same garland and ornaments. Here are some of the latest styles which you can use for decorating your tree with ribbons. Cotton and copper mesh ribbon. The rustic tree is chock full of natural decorations like dried pods, branches, silk magnolia blooms, feathers and pine cones. Through the tree, a stunning trail of fluffy white cotton garland winds the way, and copper mesh ribbon brings in a pop of color and allows the lights to shine. Burlap ribbon. Give your Christmas tree a rustic finish with burlap ribbon. Keep the decoration as simple as possible to keep up with the natural feeling. You can use some small lights and pine cones to increase the natural effect during nights. Easy magnolia garland. The magnolia garland tree has a secret in it which is not easily visible, and the secret is that it's held together with a duct tape. Simply tape the leaves together instead of stringing the leaves together. Ornament garland. Pearl garland. The unique theme of this whimsical idea is, more is more. The thick ribbon makes a wonderful statement, while 12 of 3 different wire-edged ribbons soften the look. In addition to your ribbons, use silver and green-colored ornaments to complete the look. Plaid ribbon. Use a plaid ribbon to decorate the tree along with some unexpected details like bits of greenery and antlers to impress your guests, which provides a contrast to the traditional plaid and red ribbon garland. Burlap ribbon and silver beads. Make the rustic meet refined combo to create a unique and classy pair in a tree that embraces the best of both the worlds. Pair natural elements like air plants and spruce with gilded touches and sparkly ornaments. Small beaded garland. The small Christmas trees will have to weather the elements, so beaded garland which can withstand a little snow, rain and wind. Use jingle bells to give a Christmas feeling and tie the ribbon as a tree topper. Sparkly ribbon. The wire-edged, thick ribbon having sequins is the perfect option to give your tree the much-needed sparkle to an already glowing tree. For the finishing touch, use stars as a tree topper. Red sash ribbons. Ribbons give your tree a colorful, festive touch. Unify your design and let your tree determine the color scheme. The gold glow of lights can be highlighted by a wide red ribbon which can be used in a classy and sash style. Double-tied bows. Double-tied red bow is simple and elegant. To give an elegant finish to the starlight and tinsel garland, there are 4 loops in the bow for consistent look. For best results, space them around the tree evenly at the end of branches. Ribbons highlight poinsettias. Country ribbon style. Use shimmering satin bows with red poinsettias and plain gold ball ornaments for conjuring the memories of Christmas past, because the traditional look is never out of fashion. For a complete, elegant and beautiful look, leave the bows fluffy and have the ends trail in the branches. Ribbon accents. To highlight special ornaments on the tree, use individual ribbons by creating bows. This is the most popular way of displaying unique ornaments, which makes them stand out from the other ornaments. One bow with 2 ribbons. Using a peppermint striped and green mesh bows, give your tree a whimsical touch. Combine the 2 ribbons to form large full bows with long flowing streamers. To give the whimsical design a complete look, toss in some fairies, elves and candy canes. Magenta and purple explosion. To decorate your Christmas tree, go for a colorful and unique approach. The purple ribbon with gold glitter edging makes a lovely and brilliant addition to the pink, gold, silver and purple ornaments used in to decorate the tree. To form a ripple effect, the wire ribbon is bent that cascades over the tree. DIY cotton ball pom-pom garland. The idea is simple and an inexpensive way to decorate your tree. The DIY idea can easily be implemented at home by threading the cotton balls on 8-foot sections of string, because making the garland in sections helps reduce tangling. Blue ribbons. Decorate your Christmas tree with blue ribbons and give it a frosty and icy look. Arrange the ribbon on a frosted Christmas tree to make it look more appealing. The final result will impress all the guests who visit you, and the effect will truly be unparalleled. To give it a final elegant icy touch, hang some icy cool blue and silver ornaments.